Here is the Pioneer GM-D8704 4-channel, can be a 2-channel, 3-channel amp if you want it. It can run a subwoofer and everything. Here is the box. Really nothing too magical about it. Kind of tells you like dimensions. It was made in October 2020. Good year, good year for sure. So let's take her out. Okay, here she is, all nice and pretty. Here is all the wiring you may need and want. Looks like just some RCAs to like the high speaker output, and then you also got your bass knob wire. Here's your little hardware screwed in. A little Allen wrench to probably adjust the thingies. And then you got your bass knob, which I'm not going to need. Instructions, like always, the fun stuff. Let's see. So, let me turn this way so you can see it. Here are all the connections, and just like Dean and Fernando over at 5 Star, go check them out. They've also did a review on this too. But here's it's kind of a weird angle. I don't know why they did that. I didn't notice until you kind of talked about it on there. But yeah, they kind of came out at angles, so when you mount it, the wire's going to be bent, which is kind of dumb. But yeah, here's your negative, your signal, and your positive. 30 amp fuses, and then you got your speaker mounts. What we're gonna do, so you know, we'll do front section, rear section, and whatnot. Then here's your bass remote connection, your adjustments, and your high frequency things. Sorry if I'm not like professional, but yeah, you can do your 2-channel, 4-channel, and your gains, and here's all your ACs. So this is gonna be like if you have sub amp you want to connect to it, which I do. I already have mine connected, so I don't know if I really need it. And then your front and rear connections right there, your inputs, and then everything else. So this will be like, this is actually you're gonna be like, if you're gonna do channel A is gonna be your fronts, and then channel B is gonna be your rear speakers. You can adjust them, which we will, because yeah, we have to. But the next thing we're gonna do is put them in the behind the seat, so it'll be nice. But there it is, all in all its glory. It's super clean, it's really classy, it's kind of nice. But stay tuned for my new video that's going to be coming out soon.